Hello, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on where you are watching from and when you're watching. This is the basic part where I'll be showing you the functions we have here, the tools we have here rather, and the functions they perform. We have a lot of things here and what it does. Let me start from this A. This A you see here is for text. When you press it, if you want to type something, you double click on it, then you can type anything you want to type. Okay. It's going to show here. That's the function of that one. And this shape in the middle, this one in the middle is for the shape. Let's look at what it does. You see, we have stickers, we have gallery. We want to draw something, shapes, present through an arrow. All these, you get to know them better as we move forward in the journey of the design, in the design journey. And this one is for color, background color. You can see the color is changing. The color is changing. When you press this one, it works for anything on the background. Now let's go back to the shape, the icon in the middle. Let me press shapes. You see we have a lot of shapes here, a lot. As we proceed, we learn how to use them. Now this is the shape. I've taken a shape. When you press shape, when you click on shape, you can edit it. You have a lot of functions here, but the most important thing is if you want to change the color of the shape, you see, if you want to change the color of the shape, then if you want to copy the shape, you can copy it and make it too. Can you see? Then we have these three dots here. When you click on it, gallery, full screen, camera, save image. If you want to save your image, then image size. Here you can edit your size. This is a custom size, 180 by 180, that is square. But you can edit it to anything you want, 100 by 200. Can you see? Let me change it back to. Size is very important in design. It's very important because design are not always in the same size. We have squares, we have rectangles, we have a lot of size. We have banner size, we have sticker, we have, so the size cannot be the same thing. So you have to edit the size there. If you want to delete something, you click on that thing and press this delete icon. Delete the selected object. Okay. You see, I've deleted it. Then this plus sign, you can also use it for shapes and stickers, text. If you want to go to a gallery, press this plus sign, press gallery. Then you can take a picture from your gallery. Maybe you want to import a picture from your gallery and just take. You see, I'll bring it in. As we proceed, you learn how to use them very well. You learn how to do it very well. And I can also delete it. So this look at this tool. When you click on it, I'll click on it now. You see, it's for alignment. For instance, now you can shift it to the left or to the right. For instance, you are designing something. Let me copy this one. Copy it. I want to write something. I have written a lot of things. And I want to check maybe it is straight. We call it alignment in design. That is the term, alignment. Now you want to see maybe it is straight. Even a lot of professionals don't their work. If you see their work, at times you see it is not aligned. So don't let your own be like that. That's why we are taking it from the scratch. You see, this is what will help you to see. It is straightened, it is aligned. That is the work, and you can check it vertically or horizontal. Another thing I have not shown you is when you press this A, you have a lot of things there. Edit, delete, copy. If you want to take the text, I will show you something now. If you want to take this text to the front, or you want to take it to the back, you see it is at the back of the shape now. If I want to take it to the front, it will come to the front. If I set to the back, it will go to the back. Now positioning, if I want to shift it up, down, left, or right, and this is for the speed. If you want it to move very fast, but if you only want to shift it a little bit, you reduce the move. You can use this one to put something in the middle, relative position. Then size, if you want to increase the size, decrease it, increase it, decrease it. Color, if you want to change the color of the text, you can change it to anything. Then fonts, we have different type of fonts. Can you see? I have changed it. A lot of things to work with here. You can't know everything in one day, but as we proceed in the journey of this course, you learn everything that you need to know. Even if it is not 100%, you learn the necessary things. And as you practice, you also know more. You also detect acts and tricks. You also know more. You can't know everything in a day. Just make sure you are playing with it, like practicing. When you practice, you know more. You detect more tools. What is that thing I've not mentioned? I think I've mentioned the most important part.